Security guard who killed woman after quarrel over garbage dies. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of Love 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links of Love 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links of Love 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links of Love 7 TV News Report. A security guard who was charged with the murder for the shooting death of a woman following a quarrel over garbage disposal in Charlton Mountain near Claremont, St. Anne's on March 2nd has died. Leroy Martin, otherwise called Biggie, age 56, who allegedly shot and killed 19-year-old Nevija Gray and wounded another, was found unresponsive in his cell at the Brownstown lockup on Thursday afternoon. Martin had appeared in court to answer to charges of murder and 2 counts of wounding with intent and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, and was remanded to appear in court again. Reports are that Martin had complained of not feeling well, and later in the afternoon he was discovered on the floor of his cell unresponsive. He was rushed to the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. On March the 2nd of this year, Martin had a dispute with the woman over dumping of garbage in the community, which escalated into a quarrel. He is alleged to have left the scene and returned with a firearm and fired several shots, hitting 2 persons, one of whom was pronounced dead on arrival at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. Martin later fled the scene but was apprehended by the police a few days later and charged with murder. Commanding officer for St. Anne's Police, Superintendent Dwight Powell, told reporters on Monday that the death is being probed by Indicom and other internal agencies. This has been Links of Love 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.